Thank you for choosing the Kegel maintenance videos. Today, we will be replacing the transfer roller belt on your Atlas Pro lathe machine. To remove the transfer roller belt, we will first have to remove our buffer brush. Before beginning, we will want to lower the brush to the down position. We will go Main Menu, Test, Output, and finally, Brush Lift. You will now want to power down the lathe machine using the emergency stop. From this position, you will want to secure the lid and we will move the machine to the transport position. With the machine in the transport position, you'll want to make sure you have the machine up against either a sturdy wall or have another person helping you to hold the machine steady. First, rotate the brush so that the placement pin is facing downward. Place one hand on the bumper bar and the other hand on the brush. You're going to want to pull towards the 10-pin side and the brush will dislodge. Gently lift out and set aside. With the brush now removed, we will have to remove the transfer roller mounting hardware on both sides of the machine. First thing we're going to remove is our transfer roller adjustment plate, removing the two Allen screws. Using a 9/64 Allen wrench, remove the bolts. Before we move over to the 7-pin side, we will want to loosen our tensioner. Using a 1/2-inch wrench, break the jam nut free and pull the tensioner out of the way. Using your finger, guide the belt off the pulley flange and rotate the roller. Move the belt onto the roller. Taking a 5/16 socket, we're going to remove our hardware. Support the weight of the roller and gently lower down. Place the hardware aside for reassembly. With the 10-pin hardware removed, we will now move over to the 7-pin side. Again, we will remove our transfer roller adjustment plate. And place to the side for reassembly. Followed by our 5/16 mounting bolts. Making sure to support the weight of the roller so it doesn't fall. With the hardware removed and the belt out of place, we can now slide the transfer roller assembly out of the machine. Lift up the roller and remove the old belt. Lifting the roller again, place the new belt around the pulley. Before reinserting your roller, be sure the pulley is on the 10-pin side. Place the roller back in the machine and rest on the brush assembly. With the roller back in the machine, we can now add our block hardware. Do not fully tighten these, as we still need to add our adjustment block. Once the block is back in position, move your belt back onto the pulleys. With your belt in place, reattach your adjustment block. With the adjustment block back in place, simply reach your finger beneath and pull back on the block so it's flush with the adjustment bolt. Tighten your mounting bolts. Once in place, we will move our idler back into position. We will wait till the other side is secured to tighten the idler. Now on the 7-pin side, we will add our mounting hardware but do not tighten. Place our block back in place. With our adjustment plate back in place, tighten the hardware. With the roll pin slot down, take your new brush, and line up the roll pin. With the 10 pin fully seated, we will now pull back on the brush and gently work in to seat the 4 roll pins on the 7 pin side. With our brush back in place, we will now snug up our idler. Gently press against the belt, using a 1/2 inch wrench, retighten the idler. With our belt now replaced, we will want to check for proper rotation and tracking of the belt. Go to Main Menu, Test, Output, and finally Buffer.